Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to overlay video in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to their official website, which is Wondershare Filmora, and download the actual application. When you did that, you can of course go and log into the program, but that is not necessary at the moment. Now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see here, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and Help options. And the export button is gray at the moment because we don't have anything to export. Also, we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen options. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and make an overlay video in Filmora. It is pretty simple. Guys, what you need to do is go out of all of these options here. You need to go into the elements option. Into the transition option, and there you just need to go and type overlay. Not in there, you need to go in effects and type overlay. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of overlays that we can go and get from. We have the retro film overlays. We have basically, you can go and then click on the one that you want, click on it, and here, as you can see, we have the overlay. At the moment we don't have a video. We can of course add one very easily. So basically, let's get and add a video here inside. Just a second, it is adding up. So we have the video now, put the video in, and you can see that the video will just a second have an overlay over it now. So basically you have to put it over the video. So as you can see, the video is now having an overlay. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.